Today's note: ignore the noise, focus on what truly matters. When life feels overwhelming, I pause, breathe, and return to the things I can control. I've come to recognize that there will always be outside noises, opinions, expectations, and distractions. However, I am learning to tune them all out. Instead, I focus on the small actions and choices that keep me centered in the moments that truly matter. It's not about perfection or following someone else's rules. It is about living my own life at my own pace with purposeful intentions. Writing my thoughts on sticky notes is a simple act of faith, a gentle way to reconnect, and a quiet promise to myself to keep moving forward one day at a time. Each note serves as a soft nudge, guiding me back to focus and clarity. Every small step, every mindful pause is a way of caring for myself. These reflections are just my insight, simply what I do to navigate my days. Please, take a moment and think about what truly matters in your day. Thank you.